Hi everybody, today it's my day. I need a team to help me build an electrical assistant that's fast, cheap and low-tech. We start by designing the electronic system using an ESC and an Arduino board to control a motorized wheel. Everything runs on 2 batteries and it's all activated by a simple switch we solder ourselves. Next, we model all the mechanical components in SolidWorks and bring them to life with high-precision 3D printing. From spring mount to the full attachment system, everything is designed to fit any wheelchair. And here it is, our DIY motorization kits. Easy to build, affordable, and of course, fast. Well, don't worry. The last version of the prototype is coming with a new ESC, a new automatic speed control, and an optimized design.